truly said that Earth is a small town with many neighborhoods in a big universe. So, I'm Ruchi welcoming you all to our channel Lighten the Power of Kids. And as our last tour of universe was amazing and we had learnt a lot about the universe, so today we reached on our first stoppage. In case you missed that tour of universe, then you can click on the I icon and can go and watch our video on universe. You know guys, it is also very true that somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Yes, so इसी के साथ आज हम आ गए हैं अपनी गैलेक्सी के बारे में जानने के लिए and I'm very excited for this trip as well. So get set go guys to know more about your own galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. So here I am to start our journey to galaxy and I hope you all are also ready to get a tour of galaxy. Don't miss any point of galaxy in between. Watch our video till the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Lighten the Power of Kids. So guys, इसी के साथ हम शुरू करते हैं अपना tour to galaxy. So get set go. तो इसी के साथ अब मैं आपको पहले बता देती हूँ what is galaxy, what do you mean by galaxy. So here comes our first fact. Galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust and millions of stars in their solar system. In our second fact, let me tell you, according to the astronomers, there exist three major type of galaxy. One is elliptical galaxy, second is a spiral galaxy and third is irregular galaxy. And do you know friends, Milky Way galaxy is a spiral kind of galaxy, yes. And one more interesting fact I want to tell you related to the elliptical galaxy, that as per the prior studies, it is got to know that elliptical galaxy has more than 10,000 inhabitant planet. Yes, and their life exists in vast. So that is why we call elliptical galaxies as a cradles of life. Yes, and third fact, let me tell you the size of our Milky Way galaxy. As I told you that it is a spiral type of galaxy and its size is 100,000 light year across. So now we know the type of our galaxy, we know the size of our galaxy. So do you have any idea how old is our Milky Way galaxy? चलिए अपने फोर्थ फैक्ट में मैं बताती हूँ हमारी गैलेक्सी approximately 13.6 billion years old. Yes. In our fifth fact, let me tell you about the sixth main component of our Milky Way galaxy, and these are the nucleus, a disk it has, and it has a central bulge. Apart from this, there are many spherical arms plus spherical components are there in Milky Way galaxy and a massive halo. Yes, with the help of this image, you will be able to understand it in much better way. In our sixth fact, let me tell you the location of solar planet in our Milky Way galaxy. It is located in outer spiral arm of Milky Way galaxy. So now we know the location of solar planet in our Milky Way galaxy. Let's talk about the location of Earth in our Milky Way galaxy. Earth की बात करें तो ये located है small spiral arm of Milky Way galaxy जिसको हम बोलते हैं Orion arm. So guys, these were some facts which were really very useful about the galaxy. और अभी इसी तरीके के और भी facts आने वाले हैं हमारी वीडियो में. So please keep watching our video till the end and don't miss to like, share and subscribe our video. In our eighth fact, let me tell you about the supermassive hole of our Milky Way galaxy that exists in the center of the Milky Way galaxy. And do you know that our Earth is very near to that supermassive hole? अच्छा, ये supermassive hole होता क्या है? Let me tell you first. And generally, it exists in every galaxy as per the astronomers' information. We got to know that. And this supermassive hole is generally found at the center of the galaxy, and it creates because it has the strong gravity pull for all the dust, gases, stars, planet, whatever exists there in the Milky Way galaxy. Because of that pull, all the planets, all the stars stay in a particular spherical arms and they rotate around that. So if we talk about the supermassive whole of our Milky Way galaxy, the name of that is Sagittarius A star, and it is 4 million times greater than the size of our sun. In our ninth fact, let me tell you, there exist more than 400 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy. और ये नंबर हर रोज वरी करता है बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ स्टार्स डेली फॉर्म होते हैं, डेली डाई होते हैं. सो इट इज़ रियली वेरी अमेजिंग. अपने 10th और लास्ट फैक्ट में मैं अब आपको बता देती हूँ कि हमारी मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी है हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू नो दैट वाई. इफ यू नो देन राइट डाउन फास्ट देयर इन कमेंट सेक्शन वाई मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. Because we have our solar planet inside it, and there exists our precious planet Earth where life exists. That's why Milky Way galaxy is very precious to us. Okay, so these were some amazing facts about the galaxies. और इसी तरीके से हमारा ट्रिप अभी और आगे चलेगा. मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगी अर्थ के ऊपर, तो प्लीज़ आप अर्थ की वीडियो भी देखिएगा इसके बाद और जानिएगा अर्थ के बारे में बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स. हम पूरे सोलर सिस्टम को कवर करेंगे आगे, हर प्लैनेट के बारे में आपको यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. सो प्लीज़ स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल टू गेट सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज ऑन डेली बेसिस. सो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.